Well, from athletes being paid in bitcoins to names like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban supporting cryptocurrency, it certainly has taken a spot in financial headlines. But what happens to cryptocurrency in a divorce? Attorney Jonathan Marks with the Marks Law Firm is joining us this morning with some answers. Good morning, Jonathan.
Good morning, Margie.
Yeah, so for those who are still kind of trying to wrap their head around all of this, what is cryptocurrency?
Yeah, I mean, basically, it's a form of digital currency that's extremely secure. It come in a couple of different forms. Some people use it just like cash, and others use it for investment purposes. When it's used like cash, it's typically just done for small purchases, nothing major. But when it's an investment, like you see, as you just mentioned, for Mark Cuban or for Elon Musk, those things get very complicated, and you're looking at, major assets that have to be concerns when a digital world is coming forth and you're now going through a divorce.
Yeah, Jonathan, one of the actions that you've said for us to take in the past when getting divorced is to know your financial situation. And what if you don't know if a spouse has cryptocurrency?
Yeah, I mean, and that is a realistic possibility. I mean, in general terms, we tell you to see if you can get a hold of the portfolio to see within there if there's some form of a reference to a cryptocurrency. But most of the time, you may not be able to just see that. And you're going to have to rely upon the fact that you and your attorney are going to need to hire an expert to make that determination, because it's not as if you're just going to the mailbox and being able to see an Edward Jones statement that says, here's the cryptocurrency that your spouse has. The reality is that this quote unquote digital wallet that somebody may have with Bitcoin is not really accessible to you to be able to see. And you can't just go on to the internet and see your husband or your wife's name with that particular cryptocurrency account.
Yeah, I mean, some may be wondering if it's worth the cost of paying an expert and the hassle of going through such a process.
Well, the obvious answer is yes, if you really believe that some form of that asset is out there. I mean, it is not inexpensive for purposes of hiring an expert to go and investigate and determine what the letters and numbers are to be able to see the digital wallet and the transactions that have occurred. But if you're someone that has a high asset divorce and you know that this is something that probably is going on and you've heard your spouse have discussions about it, then it's certainly worth the investment, because the payoff on that situation could be significant, or the loss, if you don't look into it and you never know that that was part of your marital estate to be divided, can be horrifically, tragic if you're looking at a significant loss of money.
Yeah, what kind of evidence will this expert provide to the court?
So the expert's going to be able to go on and look through the particular asset. So let's just assume it's Bitcoin. They're going to go on for purposes of looking at the wallet through the Bitcoin website. They're going to be able to determine specifically the letters and numbers and the QR code that has the wallet for the spouse at issue. And from there, they're going to be able to do a forensic accounting of the assets and the transactions that exist so that you can determine an exact value for what that asset is. Of course, that value may be volatile. On one day it may exist at a high sum and the next day it may be a low sum. But overall, you're basically looking to determine what that value is at a point in time so that it can be presented to the court either at a deposition or at a trial for the purposes of being able to make sure that the asset is divided appropriately. Yeah,
I think you hit on a big note there on the value of it. As you said, it's very volatile. So if for purposes of settlement, they want to settle the case, where would it be valued at versus if it goes to trial?
So for purposes of settlement, you may want to be looking at, whether you just can divide the asset in half, because of the fact that you're really not sure what the value of the asset's going to be on the day that it's going to be divided. So if you can work out some form of settlement language and the attorneys agree upon it and everybody signs off that you're just going to divide it into two accounts, then you know that it's safe, because whatever the value may have been, let's say on May 1st, it may not be that value by the time you go and divide it on that particular date. So if you were to just say it's worth a set sum, you may have either shot too high or shot too low, depending upon what the sum is. For trial purposes, it's really difficult for a court because they're going to be relying upon that expert testimony to know whether or not the asset is perfectly valued and it can be divisible. So if a court is looking to offset it, let's say someone's going to keep the marital home while somebody else is going to retain this particular Bitcoin account, it's speculative, and that makes it very difficult for a judge, because they're relying upon information being presented to him or her from an expert. And if for some reason that expert testimony is incorrect, the judge may err, but not because of his or her fault, but just because of the evidence that was presented. So normally on these particular situations, the best thing you can do, as it is in most cases, is to try to work out a settlement that provides both parties with security that they're getting what they're supposed to receive in the divorce.
Yeah, Jonathan, we had our own expert here before we let you go who uncovered it is your birthday tomorrow. So from all of us here at Fox 2, happy birthday. We certainly appreciate all of your expert legal advice over the years.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
We'll be sending some dog coin your way. Nothing's too good for you, Jonathan.
I'll look forward to it.
All right. Jonathan Marks, thank you so much for your time this morning. For more information on the Marks Law Firm, just head to stlmoms.com.